Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the solutions for exercise 13.3 of lesson 13, surface area and volume. In the I link above I have shared the video of exercise 13.1 and 13.2. 13.3 is all about right circular cone. So this is a right circular cone. This figure may remind you of the time you had eaten an ice cream heaped into a container of this shape. So this is called as a cone, right? Formulas for the solution of this exercise is: curved surface area of a cone is 1 by 2 multiplied by L multiplied by 2 pi r. That will 2 will get cancelled, so the remaining will be pi r L, where L is here the slant height. So this is called as the slant height, that is denoted by L. This is the height here and this is the R. So it becomes a right angle triangle. So here L is your hypotenuse. So therefore it becomes by Pythagoras theorem, L square equal to H square plus R square. That is L is slant height, H is height here and R is the radius. If you don't know L or R, you can find by using this formula. Then total surface area of the cone is pi r L plus R. So in both of the formulas, for the curved surface as well as total surface area, you need L and R. Okay. So these were the two formulas for solving exercise 13.3. Let us start with the exercise here. Here also you have to use the value of pi as 22 by 7 unless it has been given in the question to use it as 3.14. The first question here is: diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 cm and its slant height is 10 cm. Find its curved surface area. So diameter of the base, that is 10.5. Slant height L is given as 10. So you have to find the curved surface area. So this is the curved surface area of the cone, that is pi rl. So for pi rl you need to find r. So diameter is given, so radius will be d by 2, that is 10.5 by 2 is 5.25 centimeter. Now substitute the values here, as pi is 22 by 7, r as 5.25 and L equal to 10. So on solving this, you will get the answer as 165 centimeter square. That is, curved surface area of the cone is 165 centimeter square. Next question here is: find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21. So this slant height has been given as 21 meter and the diameter of the base is given as 24 meter. So diameter is 24, therefore radius is 12 meter. You have to find the total surface area of the cone. So its formula is pi r L plus R. Substitute the values here and after solving you will get it as 1244.57 meters square. That is the total surface area of cone. Next here, third question is: curved surface area of the cone, it has been given as 308 centimeters square. So what is the curved and total surface area? Till now you must have understood it. Curved means this only the curved part, and total surface area means this curved one and along with this circular also. So that is the total surface area for a cone. Now here curved surface area of the cone, that means this much area has been given as 308 centimeter square. Slant height L is 14 centimeter. You don't know the radius and you have to find the total surface area too. So using the formula for curved surface area and substituting the values, make R as a subject. Therefore R will be equal to 7 centimeter. That is the radius of the base of cone. Then using the formula for total surface area of the cone, pi r bracket L plus R, on substituting the values, the total surface area comes out to be 462 centimeter square. Fourth question here is a conical tent. This is height is 10 meter and radius of its base is 24 meter. You have to find the slant height. This is to be found out, and cost of the canvas required to make the tent. So the tent here, the tent do not have the base here, so it is only the curved surface area. So you don't know the L here, so by using this formula L square equal to H square plus R square, we can find L. Now to find L, you need to remove this square, so apply here the square root. So H is here 10 and R is 24, so 10 square is 100 plus this, it gives 676, that is under root of 676 is 26 meter. So L is 26 meter. Now you want to find the area of canvas to make the tent, so that means it is curved surface area, that is equal to pi RL. So that is 22 by 7 into 24 into 26 meter square. Now no need to cancel and find it in decimal, still the further calculation is there. Cost of 1 meter square canvas is 70 rupees. So cost of this much meter square that we have canvas will be how much? So this bracket multiplied by 70 will give you 137280 rupees. Hence the cost of the canvas to make the tent is 137280 rupees. Fifth question here is, you have to find the length of a tarpaulin 3 meter wide. You have to find its length here. This length is to be found out. That is, width is 3 meter here. Required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius is 6 meter. Assuming that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter and value of pi should be 3.14. So radius of a conical tent R is 6 meter, height is 8 meter. So you need to find L here. So by applying the formula of Pythagoras, L becomes 10 meter here. Area of tarpaulin to make the tent, so it is curved surface area equal to pi RL. Substituting value of pi as 3.14, R is 6 and L as 10. You get it as 188.40 meters square. Now you know the width of the cloth that is used for to make tarpaulin is 3 meter. The length is, we don't know, L meter. So area of the tarpaulin required will be L into breadth, length into breadth. So breadth is 3, so it will be L into 3 meters square. Now this is also area, this is also area. So we can equate these two. So L into 3 equal to 188.40. So we want to find L as it becomes 62.80 meter. Now there is extra tarpaulin for stitching margins and wastage, that is 20 centimeter, convert into meter. So the total length of the tarpaulin will be this length plus this extra length, that becomes 63 meter. So that is the length of the 3 meter wide tarpaulin is 63 meter to make the tent. Question 6 here is the slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb. So slant height is 25 meter here and the base diameter is 14 meter. So radius will be 7 meter here. So it is a conical tomb. You need to find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of 210 per 100 meter square. So cost of whitewashing you have to find. So for that first you have to find the curved surface area, that is equal to pi RL. On substituting the values, you get the curved surface here as 550 meters square. Now cost of whitewashing for 100 meters square is 210 rupees. So you have 550 meters square, it will be how much? So cross multiply 550 into 210 divided by 100. Right? So it will be 55 into 21, that is 1155 rupees. So the cost of whitewashing the curved surface area is 1155 rupees. Question 7. This is a joker's cap which is in the form of a right circular cone of radius 7 and height 24. You have to find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So R is given, you know the height here, you don't know the L because in both of the formulas for cone L is required. So find L by using the formula. L you get it as 25 centimeter. So area of sheet required to make one cap, that is curved surface area. So area of cone is pi RL. So it becomes 550 centimeters square. This is the curved surface area of one cone. That is one cap. One cap which is in the shape of a cone. So area of sheet required to make 10 such caps will be 10 into 550. So it will be 5500 centimeters square. So area of sheet required to make 10 caps is 5500 centimeters square. Question 8 here is a bus stop is barricaded. Now you have seen the barricades on the road which are yellow and red in color. So barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard, and each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter and a height of 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is given as 1 meter square is 12 rupees. So what will be the cost of painting for all those cones? And pi is 3.14. So 50 cones are there. So total barricades are 50, diameter is 40, so radius will be 20 centimeter. Converting to meter, since height is in meter, height equal to 1 meter. So radius is 0.2 meter. You need to find L here. So L equal to under root of h square plus r square. H is 1, r is 0.2. Substitute the values, find the square. Therefore, square of 1.04, that is square root of 1.04 is nearly equal to 1.0198, and which in a whole number we can write it as 1.02 meter. Though in the question it has been given that take the value of under root of 1.04 as 1.02. But if it is not given, you have to find it. So L equal to 1.02 meter. Now curved surface area of one cone is pi RL. It has to be painted from outside. So it is curved surface area. Pi you have to need to take as 3.14. R is 0.2. L is 1.02. So it becomes 6.4056 meters square. That is the curved surface for one cone. So curved surface for 50 cones will be 50 into 6.4056. It is 32.028 meters square. Now you have to find the cost of painting. For 1 meter square it is 12 rupees. So for 32.028 meters square will be this multiplied by this, you get it as 384.34 rupees approximately. So the cost of painting the curved surface of 50 cones are 384.34 rupees. So this was all about your exercise 13.3. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Get the Math, and press the bell icon for notifications.